Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Dr. Duet. For those of you who don't know me, I am Alshifa, currently a second year MBBS student. So firstly, I would like to congratulate all of you who are now going into a medical college.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
And this video is about all the essentials that you require for medical college, and if you have all these sort of thoughts, you are at the right place, and this video is for you all. So first thing that I would like to talk about is about buying books. So yeah, I know how much eager you all would be to see all the MBBS books. I know that situation, how you would feel, because even I have passed that situation. So first thing that I would like to recommend you all is that first go into your own medical college, get adjusted to the new environment, because this is the new exposure that you're going to experience, and this is the new beginning for you all. First get adjusted, try to get knowledge about the things that you would like to buy from your seniors, because seniors are the most important guiders, who would be guiding you in all your situations. So talking about books, so initially don't rush in buying books, because each and every medical college would be having different ideas, and even your teachers would be guiding you in buying the books. They will recommend you the particular authors in MBBS that you would be buying. So please don't waste your money in getting books and in buying books. First go into the medical college, then you can buy. You can ask seniors, or you can even consult your teachers to get advice regarding what and all are the books that you're gonna purchase. Even coming to books, so many books are given by your seniors. Even you can get the books from your seniors or any relatives if you are having, or else even you can buy your own books if you want. So this is one thing that you can keep in mind, because your seniors, there are many seniors who would be ready to just uh, give all their books to the juniors so that they can utilize it to study. So even you can use this sort of ideas. And coming to the second thing, where the bone set is required. So yeah, in first year MBBS you are required to buy bone set. Even in bone set, so many seniors would be passing on their bone set to the juniors, because they won't feel requirement of that bone set in their next years, that is second year or third year, like that. So they would sell it to the juniors at the lowest prices. So even you can consult your seniors in this matters, or even you can buy your own bone set. So first don't rush in buying the bone set. Ask your teachers, they would be telling you. At that time you can buy the bone set. So next, coming to the second is dissection kit and all those sort of stuff like stethoscope and all, whether you require it. Initially there is no requirement of stethoscope. Only once your practical classes will start, I think you would feel requirement of this stethoscope and dissection kit. Once your anatomy dissection classes will start, you are required to buy this dissection kit. Next, coming to white coat. So I think every medical college would be having their own ideas and plans. So some medical college would be having their own logos on the white coat. Initially don't rush in buying the white coat. Ask your seniors or your teachers regarding this matter. I know how much curious you all would be in buying the white coat and stethoscope and taking a photo of that, uploading on Instagram and all those sort of stuff. Yeah, I can understand your feelings, but till then, control your emotions and urge for that. Once you get adjusted to the new environment, you can collect knowledge and you can buy all these sort of things.
बात तो सही है.
Next, coming to whether iPad is required for MBBS. So when I was in first year, I think I did not feel the requirement of this iPad. Only if you buy online platforms like teaching and all this sort of stuff for studies, I think you would feel the requirement of this iPad. Otherwise, there is no much requirement of this iPad. So please don't waste money in buying these sort of things, seeing YouTube videos. They saying that it is must in first year MBBS, like that. It's not like that. Even I was I have studied first year and I do not feel requirement of that. Next, coming to whether online coaching like Maro, PW Med is required. So I think textbook, there's lot of information in the textbooks, but some of the information are complex to understand. So to make that concepts easier, I think these sort of online platforms are required, like Maro and all. It's up to you, like which platform is comfortable to you, you can purchase that. But initially it is not required, but when you just go ahead, I think you would feel the requirement. Even so many videos are available in YouTube which you can utilize. There's a lot of stuff in YouTube only which you can utilize for your studies. Next, coming to whether you have to buy. Next, coming to clothing, I think kurtas are mandatory for girls and formals are mandatory for boys. So please make arrangement in buying all these things. Don't waste money in buying western clothes and all this sort of stuff, because they are not allowed in a medical college, because you are now in a decent profession, so your appearance should be decent. I think that's all is required. Don't waste money for anything. You will be knowing what and all to buy, what and all you require. Please purchase things according to your requirement and according to your college requirement. Okay, yeah, that's all. So thank you. Please do like my video if you like this video, and please do comment me if you like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.